Oh, hi there. Are you ready for part two? Because my laptop apparently can't record for more than 3 minutes before it becomes super laggy and stupid. Anyway, um, these are the boards and stuff that you need to press out, as I showed in my previous video. Now I have two videos to upload. It's going to make it extra long because our internet doesn't work. Anyway, these are the dice and figurines. Wow, pretty cool. Um, Go over them one at a time. We got arguably the most important figurine of them all to me, which is slightly smaller than I expected. That doesn't really work. It's Ornstein, the guy from Dark Souls 1. Points at your face. Can I make him point at your face? I can't actually see because of the reflection. He's pointing at you. He's gonna kill you. Or me. And there are the actual bosses of Honor Lando, which are the archers, obviously, which I'll try to take out without completely destroying them. I also love how plastic figurines have this thing where everything that is straight actually bends. I can already hear my friends who actually know about handling these cringe behind their computers, and not just because of my horrible English. Wow, this may even become a three-parter if I keep going on like this. Oh well, as you can see, I'll just do it like this. There are sentinels, giants. They're unstoppable. I'm not sure if you're gonna beat the game if you beat them. There are these axe hollows from Dark Souls 3, which were kind of annoying because they had poise, and I didn't. And the archers. So now we can recreate the thing with the archers in Dungeons and Dragons, which is going to be great. Starting to sound like Donald Trump. Here's the player characters. This is a brown bandit kind of guy. My stream is lagging. This is in the stream. This is a video. We got the Herald, one of the most iconic classes in the game. Really, I really am not sure what he's doing with his shield, as I would never try to do this with his shield if I have one. We got the assassin, crossbow guy, who was really excited about all of this. It didn't break, I think. Ooh, more silver knights over there, and some hollows with just swords, and a knight standing in a I should know this position. Ox? I think it's ox. Or key, I don't know. Onwards to the next box, which is a diamond in it, so you know it's good. I should probably speak louder, but hey, that would like make this a quality video, and we wouldn't want that. Wow. Alright, these are a lot more than I actually expected. You got the Titanite Demon. You need a Demon Titanite. Great. We got the Sumo. One next to Ornstein. We got the Dancer. The Boreal Valley. I think the sword is stuck. Okay, good. Man, cool. Gargoyles. I'm glad it's the Dark Souls 1-1 and Dark Souls 2-1 because those were nice. We got the Winged Knights, or whatever they're called, Beyblades. We got alright, it's still on there. I can do this, I think. The Outrider Knights, I think that's what it's called. Alright, and well, that's basically it for my horrible unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed the lag. So, yeah, there's that. Goodbye.